Hey guys, Seth here with ALE Truck Beds, where we turn trucks into tools. Today we're going to go over a different build. This is a total custom. This will be a Martin SSB model, standard service body. We ordered this a little bit different for this company. They needed a welder bed, and they didn't want the traditional just stick your welder on the back and hardly have a bed. They wanted tool storage, so that way they had their full shop when they go out on a job. This one has workbench bumper, lights, master locks, stainless latches, all kinds of stuff. Stick around, you're going to want to see what's all in here. So on this bed here, we powder coated this one white. This would be the accent powder coating, and when we call it the accent, that means that only the sides, the door panels, the wheel panel are done, and then the back is left raw bare aluminum. So this is a cheaper option than painting the whole thing. And then we also do the tailgate as well. So a lot of guys like that. The powder coat, we can do it either black or white. And this does match the Ford white pretty good. On this one here, we went with the stainless latches on the hinges here. So those are going to hold up well. Inside we have compartment lights on our switches. And then our master locks, once it's closed, it locks the door. So the door already locks with the handle, but now you just have that extra security here that you can put a padlock on. And yeah, guys that are staying at hotels or restaurants or something at the end of the day, you can lock everything up and not have to worry about it. Shelves with dividers in them, and these are rubber mounted, so they're not loud going down the road. So these work out really nice. And then you can remove those dividers as well if you just need an open shelf. These are adjustable shelves. This comes standard with 2 shelves in there. Box over top of the wheel on this one. Nothing fancy, just an open box. These 2 hooks here are going to be for your master lock system. Moving up here, this is the goodie box. So this one here, we have your oxygen acetylene hose reel. This is made by Coxreels. We also have a 2-watt welding cable. We have 3 of those, so they can hook up to their welder. They also have a control box that they're going to hook the 3rd one up to. The customers, they're going to finish installing the welder and routing all their lines and cables. On this one then too, where the welder, this would normally be another box here, but this is going to be where the welder sits down. So we have just another nice underbody box. You can throw all kinds of tools or supplies in there, whatever you need. Does not have a headache rack. They did not want a headache rack, just because it really wasn't going to do a whole lot. Once you put the welder there, it'll be bolted down and it'll be permanently mounted there. On the back side here, we have our workbench bumper. It's kind of windy today. Workbench bumper has nice little pass-through box there. You can put long handle tools. We also have a vise on top here, Wilton vise, and nice heavy duty work area there. No bed liner on this one, just because if they're welding, the spatter is gonna melt the rubber, so that's why we don't have any bed liner on there. When you go to the workbench bumper, you have to go to their special hitch, and that's a 2-inch hitch. That is manufactured by Martin Trucks Bodies as well. And they also put a nice little step on both sides so you can get up into the bed real nice and easy. Again, Martin's uses all LED lights, and Nice little strobe or camera bracket here. This is Martin's. They make the camera brackets. We take the camera that comes standard or factory with the truck, take it out of its original holder, and we mount it in there like that. Works out really nice, looks really clean. Yeah, it's just how we do, how we've done it for years. Standard Martin tailgate, one handle design, flops down there. Then we also have 4 tie down rings in the bed as well. On this one here, there is no cutouts for the headache rack, just because the welder is going to be in the way there, and they didn't want any cutouts in that. We also added our strobe package. Now this would be what we consider our 6 strobe package. So we get 2 lights on the rear of the body, 2 lights on the headache rack or the back of the boxes of the body, and then we also do 2 lights in the grill of the truck, all hooked to an upfitter switch. Let's move over here and take a look at this side. This side on the back, pretty much the same as the other side. This side here, now on all, remember all the Martin beds, they do not put exposed fuel fillers. So they do hide their fuel fillers inside here. Makes it really nice, keeps them out of the weather there, and gives you good drop, good fuel flow going in. Same with the def. Same thing here. It does shorten up the box a little bit, but yeah, a lot of guys will ask, why don't we put them down here? If we put them down here, you're not going to get the flow that you do when you put them up top. And yeah, it's the #1 thing we always hear. Guys are complaining about different body manufacturers put their fuel fills too low and they can't get fuel into them. Move into this box here. On this box here, this is what we're going to call our torch compartment. So they build this box a little bit different. They beef up the floor. They vent it so that way you have fresh air in there, and if it were to leak off in there, the gases won't get you when you open the door. And then they do build this nice torch holder that you can put 2 bottles in there. And then again, yeah, LED lights in here. This body here, they do not have power locks. They just have the key switch or the key locks for all the handles. But yeah, just if you're needing a quick lock, you can slap the master lock system closed, and that'll be done really fast if you're just needing it quick, real quick. Same thing right here, underbody box. This is a cool build. We had fun putting it together. It'll be cool if the customer can send us some pictures what it's going to look like in the end, with a welder on there all put together, working on the road. It's one thing, we put a lot of trucks together, but we never really get to see them whenever they go out on the job sites. If you're watching this and you have got a truck from us, send us a picture of what it looks like whenever you're working. We want to see what you do with yours. We know everybody takes these beds home and they make it their own. They put their own little touches on there to make it unique. They're putting different accessories on there, tools, all different kinds of things. Some are painting them different. We want to see all those. So throw that in a comment or send an email to us. If you have any more questions on any of these type of beds, or just you're wanting to see any other type of bed out there on the market, feel free to reach out to us and we can try and put a video together for you. We have a good stock in here. We're always doing different reviews on beds and showing you different options. That's the thing. A lot of times you can see these options in pictures, but you don't see how they actually work. So that's the cool thing with these here. We're just showing you kind of how all these are working. Other than that, guys, yeah, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on Facebook, hit the follow button, and we're always trying to put out more information. Yeah, Any more questions, feel free to give us a call, 330-933-7526. Our website, aletruckbeds.com. Until then, guys, we're turning trucks into tools. We'll see you next time.